Most LLMs sound confident when giving answers, but often they make things up. Corvic AI spaces fix this by grounding answers in your documents. Each agent runs on a space which structures and connects your files. When you upload documents, like P and IDs, datasheets, or diagrams, spaces convert them into vector embeddings. This captures real context, so the system understands terms in the right technical sense, not just as keywords. Spaces also build a knowledge graph, linking documents by similarity. That way, when the agent searches, it retrieves verified results instead of fabricating answers. In our demo, the space successfully found both the cooling tower and the heat exchanger. And if you ask something irrelevant, like, when's the next World Cup game? Confidence scores drop, and it tells you it doesn't know rather than spitting out fake information.